Planning your meals ahead of time is a massively underappreciated hack. But let's really think about it and dissect it here. How often do you just stare into your fridge? You're hungry, but there's nothing to eat. You pace around your apartment, rotating from the fridge to the cupboard to the pantry, over and over and over again, grumbling and sighing to yourself, unable to make a decision. Finally, you pop a bag of popcorn and wander back to studying or watching a show on Netflix. It's a couple of hours later now, and you realize you're starving all over again. But now it's too late to cook and your roommate's asleep. You can't just start clanking around the kitchen, so what are you gonna do? Do you order in? Do you drive to McDonald's? This time, you just suffer with a bowl of cereal. We need to break the cycle of spending hundreds of dollars a month on fast food. It does nothing for your energy levels, and it just depletes your bank account. We are going to make a plan instead, and we are going to save time and money just by doing it. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all our fresh content. If you like learning with us and growing your mind, please give us a thumbs up. This small show of support helps us out so much and also allows others to find our content easier when they need it. So go ahead and pay it forward. The best way to go about this is to batch and plan your meals. Depending on your schedule and obligations, there's about 3 levels of investment we can commit to. Planning your meals for the week can be as simple or as complicated as your cooking skill. If you enjoy cooking and do it all the time, you probably have a lot of great recipe ideas on hand. Plan about 5 to 7 meals for the week and list all of the ingredients you're going to need to make them. If your culinary skills are somewhat lacking, you can also go on the web and look for some easy recipe ideas. There are tons of different ways to search. You can find 5-ingredient recipe ideas or 30-minute recipe ideas, whatever suits your time and budget restraints. If you are coupling this meal planning with budgeting, maybe try to pick several recipes that have similar ingredients to cut down on costs and waste. This is a fun activity, especially if you are adventurous or like trying new things. Not only have you committed to a menu for the week, but you have also made your grocery list. Doing one grocery shop weekly will save you time on making multiple trips to the store throughout the week. It will also save you money from the impulse purchases that you would rack up from all these extra trips. A chocolate bar here and a bottle of pop there will really add up over time, especially when you're trying to save. From here, you have a couple of options. You can go on to do the grocery shopping, return, and put your supplies away, or you can start doing some meal prep. Upon arriving home and unloading your groceries, decide if you want to advance onto the second stage of planning. Preparing things ahead of time will save you time daily by being able to just take a prepared meal and pop it in the oven. Batching the prep time might also give you a little bit more flexibility in terms of what you want to eat on each night. Having a bunch of prepared meals can also save time overall on cleaning and dishes since you won't have quite as many each night. Just be sure to safely store the ingredients to avoid spoilage and cross-contamination. If you have the available time, you can also cook and freeze portions for use throughout the week. This allows even more flexibility because now you just pop a single serving into the microwave. Try batch cooking intricate meals like lasagna or shepherd's pie that require you to make larger portions and then just freeze them. Having one batch cooking night weekly and stocking up will save even more time and dishes day to day. The only limitation to this process is having the freezer space. This is also a great option if you just need a few emergency meals on hand for days that you are super pressed for time. Having some meals already prepared in the freezer can take the weight off. What is your favorite recipe to prep ahead of time and freeze? Share it in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. If you are so inclined, give us a thumbs up so we know you want more videos like this. Also, check out our website to get exclusive content and study materials. Just click the link in the description. Or, since you're already here, check out our study hacks and our organizational tips playlists to help you stay on top of not only schoolwork, but life as well. Be absolutely prepared, absolutely confident, absolutely stunning, with absolutely studying.